Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to lock your Apple Notes documents on your iPhone. So lock the documents will help you protect the documents because some documents probably containing private information about you, such as your email and the password of some application. So you just need to open the Apple Notes on your phone, and after that you just need to go click it whenever you found it, and the next thing we need to do is just go pick the documents that we want to lock. And after you find one, I will suggest you to click to open them first and just go back and it just for make sure that this is the correct documents that you want to lock. So the next thing we need to do is just go click and hold. There will be like appear here several options, and this one is for pin or unpin, and the second one is for lock the notes. So to lock the notes, go click them, and you can just choose like either you want to use the iPhone passcode, or you can also create the new passcode. If you want to use the passcode that you have, just go click this use iPhone passcode, and you just need to enter the passcode to open your phone, and if it's worked, now you're already done. So that is the way, guys, how to lock the notes on Apple Notes. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.